welcome. PubMed is a citation database, not a full-text database. One common concern is obtaining the full-text article. Fortunately, a free or subscribed copy of the full-text article is often available. If it's not, I can order it free of charge. For example, I click the title of number 11 in my results list to see the abstract format with full-text links. When I click the publisher link, the top link, I'm asked to pay for the article, even though I use the WKU Libraries Databases link to log into PubMed. I don't want to pay for the article, so I close this link. I don't see a link labeled free or open access. If I wish, I can copy and paste the article title into a web browser to search for a free copy on the open web. I try this, still no full text. My fallback option is to check for full text at WKU. Click this link. Scroll down to the bottom. Sign in with my NetID and password. Click Request from Interlibrary Loan. Sign in with my NetID and password. The form is auto-filled. Don't worry about missing or incomplete information. I click Submit Request to send the request. An electronic copy will be sent to my WKU email inbox at no cost to me, usually within 1 to 2 working days. Thank you for watching.